Sup to the Mid-Fire Creeper, and you should check out my YouTube channel, and, well...
Lincoln, what did you do with my phone? Hey, what are you doing? Lincoln?
Ah!
Get in there. Come on. All right, crazy kids, get in their phone. What's up, everyone? Jacob all here. All right, so I got some new stuff. Yeah, crazy kids. I got some new stuff to show you. I have been busy printing and busy working with some people on the internet. People are wanting to see some stuff. We got some new stuff here. Tested these out. This right here, M18 Tool Holder. This is for like a lighter tool. Heavier tools, it's thicker base. And then when you've got tools that the bottom of the tool would stick out too much to mount, there's this one. It's got 2 countersunk holes in it. It's pretty solid. You can mount some heavy stuff from this. Also, I know this is like not the other side of the pond, but oh yeah, come on. Hashtag elf on the shelf. But this one right here, this one's for Dewalt, the Flexvolt system, 20, nominal 18, whatever. 60 volt tools. This thing is nice and smooth. It's got a lot of different mounting holes, holds the tools pretty well. So I'm going to show you a couple other things going on here. Dark side, red, team red. We love team red. All right, so let me flip this around. I'll be right back. All right, so let's start with team red, Milwaukee. All right, so thick PackOut. I know it's yellow, but I love the way these fit inside of this. Finally, you've got your deep PackOut, and you want to get some stuff inside of it. Not to mention the way Dewalt, I'm going to keep saying Milwaukee accidentally like a million times, but it's probably because this is just sacrilege. But the way these go in and lock compared to the way Milwaukee does theirs, you gotta love the Tstack for it. Now, this is a sweet little setup that they had, and this is basically, look, extra bits. It latches in there, and then below, oh, yep, that's right. This will be on the site hopefully tomorrow too. That's that M12 battery adapter, or tool holder, sorry, tool holder. But, so here you got your tray of your bits, right? Those just came out of one of these cases. You put them in here, and now you've got bits. So now you can have a deep PackOut with screws, bits right on top of it. You don't have to have the slim. Again, you saw, wait, not again, but you saw Megan, Jake's girl, post this. This was our nesting bins. So these allow you to do, in this configuration, 4 on the bottom, 4 on the top. So you have 8 dividers in this deep bin. This is definitely, I think, a killer way to do it. You can have a lot of different screws in this thing. And we have it available in 2-way. I will be posting the photos of this on the website with pricing as well. I won't have a photo of the 2-way because we just haven't printed any, but I will have it available. These will be on the website too. These are for the rectangle cups. So these fit in there. Oh yeah, I'll talk about this, but Tstack jigsaw holders. Look at this. You take it and it fits in those dovetails. Now this one's already too full, so this is going to be for a taller one, but you can take and put Tstack bits inside of yours. There's another one, right? Okay, so that's Milwaukee. Now, onto the evil side. Craftsman, I believe it's called the VersaStack. Dewalt, it's the Tstack. So this is what we use to store some of our extra products in, some of the Dremel setups. But you can see here, that is like marriage of that family, right? So you've got your bin and you've got a bit holder that sits on the top of it. And these suckers, right, allow you to put parts underneath, screws, whatever, and then this can sit on the top. And speaking of parts underneath, we also, if you don't want to buy these VersaStack Tstack, we also have these available. These are, again, these are designed from Benjamin Johnson on Thingiverse or Electronsmith on Instagram. These allow you to just buy this, and then you can put any of your bits in it, and they can lock in there, or they can lock in the ones that go on the Milwaukee setup. But that, or if you want to put your jigsaws in one of these, you can put that on there. Another thing I'll show you, right? So if you want to stay with the dark side, and you've got one of these Tstack cases, and you want to put jigsaw blades in these, look at that. So boom, now you can put jigsaw blades inside there. The other thing, which I'll go downstairs in a minute, I'll show you that video. We're working on some dividers for these and some other stuff, but here, boom. I just took this, outfitted it. I can do jigsaw, I can do bits. Now you can buy this whole case and rob the parts for like I do in the Milwaukee. Oh, side note on the Milwaukee. When you put one of our bit bins in here in the slim. The filler for it is only going to be the wider shockwave bits, not the narrow ones. Some people say it's got what, like 5 or 6 as opposed to like 8. So you only use the wider ones. I know this isn't the right picture, but I don't have a bin like that. So again, VersaStack, we got bins that go inside of this that can split this into 4-way, and we got bins that can go into these and split these into 2 ways. We now have the bit holders that go on top, and we have Tstack and spare. All right, here we go. Here is the meth lab, aka the printer farm. So yep, it looks like all of them are running. So we've got a couple things going on right here, but mainly you can see we are working on Dewalt stuff. Tstack, VersaStack. That's some Milwaukee bit holders. Yeah, here's something we're testing out. Somebody asked us specifically for. So these are dividers. I'll show you the cases. Well, you saw the cases a few minutes ago. So that's to take those cases and be able to put bits in it. Something else. Here we go. So this is like the stock one that comes in the Tstack and the VersaStack. And this is one of the other designs. This is all Benjamin Johnson, aka Electron Smith, on Instagram. So these allow you to put T-shank jigsaw bits in the VersaStack T-stacks. And then this is just to basically replicate what Dewalt and Craftsman and all them use. So this holds the bits, longer bits. Yeah, so those are dividers, and these allow you to put the bits in it. It's pretty hot in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and head back upstairs, but yeah, working on a couple new things, getting some stuff worked out, printing bins like crazy. All right, we'll be back in a second. I think these are available on the site. These will be available tomorrow. The dividers aren't exactly available because we're testing them out, but those will be available. Those will be available. Those will be available. And all of these will show up on the site as well. So I'd like to thank you all for watching. Don't mind my crazy son that took the phone first. And I'm going to do a little something different. We're going to go Tstack. Thanks for watching. Jacob All. Sorry about that, Tstack. Pack out!